Hi, I'm Doug Saggart, Business Development Manager of Roof System Components, and this is Oceanside, one of our many facilities across the nation. Next, I'm going to show you some of our roof system components and be able to show you how to complete the entire system. TileSeal HT, it's our high temperature SPS modified asphalt, self-adhered underlayment, and it's durable for all seasons. TileSeal HT has a fleece facer and it's optimal for foam adhered tiles. TileSeal has superior grip, self-seals around nail fasteners, and is good for all roofing materials. TileSeal can be exposed for up to 6 months and comes with a 30-year limited warranty. TileSeal HT has a twin brother named Metal Seal HT, and they both come in 216 square feet per roll.